Okay, so here's question 5. And we have to rationalize the denominator of each expression. So in part A, I have root 2 minus 1 all over root 2. So to rationalize the denominator means get rid of surds. Now there's a root 2 in the denominator right there. I need to somehow get rid of that. So we know that with a fraction we can times top and bottom by the same thing, which is in effect timesing it by 1. So I could times by 5 over 5. I could times by 100 over 100. Each time I do that, I'm just timesing by 1. But there's going to be a smart choice of what I'm going to times top and bottom by. That's going to actually remove that root 2 in the bottom. And it's root 2 over 2. So I'm timesing the top by root 2 and the bottom by root 2. Why is that good? Because look, now I'm going to multiply these two. And we know that root 2 squared is 2, which is nice and rational. That's what we're trying to do. So once I've done that, I go ahead and multiply. So the root 2 times root 2 in the bottom is 2. And on the top, I've just got root 2 outside of root 2 minus 1. I could leave it like that, or I could then go ahead and expand the top. If I expand the top, we use the rule that says you multiply what's out the front to the first and what's out the front to the second. So let's do that. To the first, root 2 times root 2 is 2, as we've seen. And to the second, root 2 times minus 1 is minus root 2. So either of these are correct.